Here is how to replace your RAM sticks on a computer. So, first of all, we've got to power it off. Make sure it shuts down. Flip it over. RAM is in different place in different computers, in different places on different computers, so you've got to remember that. So in which case my RAM is here. So basically what RAM is its memory, and that's what it looks like. So what you've got to do, these two pins at the side, just there, you've got to pull it that way, and same thing other side, pull it until it's loose, and then you literally just take it out like that. With the same one underneath, you literally just pull it out. To put it back in, what you've got to do is there's a slot there. You got to push it in like that, and you've got to let it slide in, and it should, and all the golden bits should disappear. So you just put that in, let it slide, push down, and same with the other one. What you got to do, just put it in like that, push down, and then you are done. Put the cover back on. You should hear a click. Like that. Screw it back up. And we are back to normal. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.